Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this very pretty colorful earring, and I think girls of all age can wear them. Aren't they very lovely, colorful, like tiny gems on a wire? It is very easy to make. So now I'm going to tell you what all is required to make this earring. First of all, we require some colorful beads. I have taken 30 beads. If you want to make it bigger, you can increase the size, the number of beads required, say 30 to 40, whatever you like. The bigger you like, the more beads you take. And other than this, I have taken this copper wire. This is 20 gauge copper wire and it is 6 inches long. Okay, this is 6 inches long. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to make a small loop on one end like this. Hold it tight and bend it on the round nose plier like this. Here you have a loop. Okay, and now I'm going to put these beads on the wire. If you want to make them in a single color, go ahead and put all of the same color. I want to make a multicolor because I will gift it to a sweet little girl in my neighborhood. I am sure she is going to love this earring. Children love colorful things, isn't it? So just go ahead and put all 30 beads on these. These are 3 mm beads. If you want, you can make it with bigger beads also. You can use crystals also for making this earring. They will look even more beautiful, all glittering and gorgeous. So here we have all 30 beads on this wire, and now I'm going to use this rubber band. I'll put it here so that while I'm working on this earring, they don't fall off. Okay, like this. You can just stop it. You can put some clip or something like that so that they don't fall off the wire. Okay, so now holding it at this edge, the place where we had made the loop, just hold it like this and bend it like this. Okay, bend it like this. The first bend you have to make with holding with some plier, and then I'm just going to hold this part like this and bend the wire around, making it into a circle. Ouch. Yeah, very slowly make it like this. Just go on round and round and round. Here we have, and now remove this rubber band. Like this. And now we need to make one loop over here, so I'm keeping a little bit of wire for that, and I will cut off the extra piece like so. So this is the extra piece which I have kept, and now with this round nose plier I'm going to make a loop over here, a simple loop, and bend it upwards straight. Okay, like this. Just check if the shape is proper, like this one and this one. And now we need to attach the ear wire to this one, and these ear wires are also handmade. I have made a video on how to make these ear wires, and I will put the link in the description box, so you can check it out if you want to make your own ear wires. They are very easy. Just put it like this. Ouch. Like this. Okay, and then push it back into its place. And here you have such a pretty earring ready. So friends, I hope you have liked it, and please share it with your friends, and you can even share it on Facebook if you want. And yes, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get regular notifications of my new videos, and support my channel, help me grow my channel, and I'm going to bring you a lot of beautiful videos. I already have 300 plus videos on my channel. You can go and check it on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.